So ma'am, I'm here with
Denise, hi from Singapore.
Yeah, ma'am, thank you for the opportunity you gave me for today. So we are now in the middle of the desert.
Yes, it is really hot.
Yeah. There's no tree over there. Pader. So, can you remove your shades? Chinita. Me, chitae.
Chitae.
Ganda lalaki. So this one is a former watchtower.
And it's been destroyed
Yes.
during the war.
British attack,
Oh, British attack.
1762. So this tower supposed to be defense to the bayside of Intramuros. So that one.
So why is Intramuros built? Is it built for the Spanish people?
Yes, built for the Spanish people. At the same time, Intramuros used there as their first city. Only rich Spanish was live inside.
Okay.
Because that time Intramuros during Spanish time became center of business, studying and religious.
That's why they built it like university, schools and everything.
Yes. As before they called this Paris of Asia.
A Paris of Asia.
Yes. So by the way, you know the meaning of Intramuros?
No, not at all.
Inside the wall. Yes. When you said Intramuros during Spanish time, this is the only city in Manila. Yes. So, in your left side, you will see the President of the Philippines from past to present.
Oh wow.
But some of them sitting in the presidency 1 to 6 years only. Longest term name Ferdinand E. Marcos.
Yes.
That time, he sit in the presidency 1965 to 1986.
Okay.
21 years. That time, $1 equivalent to 2 pesos.
Oh wow.
Good economy. Our
That's
country
very good.
before called Tiger of Asia. But now, Crying Kitten.
Crying kitten. Yeah, but is it getting better now? The economy?
I didn't decide because I didn't see a little bit improved.
Yes, but that's good.
Yeah. But 2 of them is not Filipino.
Which one is not Filipino?
The girl have sunglasses
Okay.
because they are Filipino.
Around 90%.
They are girls.
Yes, very rare.
Yeah.
Girls and presidents.
I got you.
Yes,
Yeah. So before, during Spanish time, all of that is moat
Oh, okay.
or water.
Okay, all the way to the gate.
Yeah, all the way to the gate.
Okay.
So, during when Spanish sold us to American for $20 million, they have pandemic malaria,
Oh,
mosquito. So
Okay.
that's why American decided to dry up the water, put many sand and grasses.
yes.
Then the backyard of Intramuros became golf course since 1908.
Oh, okay, 1908.
Yeah, so that golf course is 18 holes surrounded in
Oh,
Intramuros.
that's interesting.
Yes. Pag si Justin Bieber kasama mo, par all in. Photographer, tour guide, driver, bodyguard. Let's go! One more. Son. Last one. Son. Wow! Liang. By the way, ma'am, my real name is Justin Bieber. Thank you, Denise, for
Thank you,
opportunity
thank
you
you.
gave me for today. Can you said all good
All good.
in the hood?
In the hood.
Yeah! So yun, good day mga ropa, mga gar, for today's video. Tingnan natin kung may pang-kamyas gaming. Yes! May tubo ngayon ng kamyas. Hindi nila inarbes, mga gar. Yun, no? Shisha ball. Uy, ba't yung iba bulok? Kuha tayo ng hindi. 1, kasi dalawa lang kami. 2. Ito paro, Kamyas Gaming par. Sanitize muna natin. Ang pagbabalik ng Kamyas Gaming. Oops, may kubig na. Everything's okay mga par. Let's go. And some Filipino, they use this for spices for their cooking. Okay. Arson.
like it's a bit spicy.
Spice, yeah. And good to have a little bit salt, no? All good?
Good.
Yeah. So this called Kamyas, Kamyas Gaming. Ah, your teacher?
Yes.
Oh, you teach me,
No.
how to love. So we are meant to be teacher and student. Pampauto.
That must be a big thing for you guys.
Ma'am? Yeah.
Thank
Kalachuchi, you can smell it. Smells good.
Yes, it smells good. Let me put here.
Yeah, you can put it in your ear. Yes! Some Filipino called it Dalagang Pilipina.
Ah, okay.
Ma'am Denise, I hope you enjoy our tour.
It's a really good tour. Thank you for
Yes.
bringing me around.
Good photography?
Yes.
Justin Bieber again.
Thank you.
Let's go! Yun, maraming salamat sa patuloy na nanonood. Pa-like and share naman ng YouTube channel natin.